Wait. Hi. I'm gonna be showing you how to make fart noises with a draw. I'm gonna put it right here, then that's how you do it. And you don't put it under your armpit, then this does that. So you wanna do this. Bye guys, I'm done with the video.